Today I'm going to be giving a review for the Samsung Restore by Reveiw. I've had this phone for about a month now, and it's a pretty good phone. The slide right there is pretty good. It's not the best. It doesn't really give a lot of its own. You gotta like push it. It doesn't really go on its own. But this is the keyboard. The keyboard's, I like the keyboard. It's good. Just gonna show you some features on the outside. Here's the battery. This is a camera, speaker, 2-megapixel camera, and it also takes videos too. There's a slot for SD cards right here, micro SD cards right there, so you can plug that in and get music on your phone, because this phone has a media player and you can put pictures on there or whatever you want. Let me just put this back on. The back's kind of hard to get off. You have to pry it off right there. It's kind of hard. Camera button right there. You can stick headphones in here and listen to music. Buttons, volume buttons. Speaker's pretty good if you just want to play music out loud. Okay, these are the buttons up here. And then let's turn it on. Comes up with that. It takes a little while for it to turn on. There. Whoops. There we go. The time thing, you can change this, you can take it off, or you can leave it, but the time's almost up there too. This background actually comes with the phone. It's kind of cool. Let's go into menu here, show you basic stuff here. All this. It also has a navigator, which I haven't used. It's from Reveiw, now GPS thing. Social networking. I've been on Facebook a couple times on my phone. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. I haven't been on anything else. This phone actually plays YouTube videos. It's not the best though, because they start buffering after like a couple minutes of watching it. So let's just show you the camera here. It's a pretty good camera for a phone, and it's got camcorder too. So media player. You can load music. Takes a while. And yeah. So let's slide this. Oops. Okay. Slide in it. It takes a second for it to switch to that. These little buttons only work when it's up like that. So we can go to menu. You can have a list view. If you don't want this like grid view here, you can have a list, which looks like that. Or you can go to grid. Sliding back. It takes a second for it to switch again. That's the only thing that's really slow. If you hit this button right here, it'll go to recent calls and stuff. Here's your little charging thing up here. So basically, I think this phone is $80, original price. Virgin Mobile has a nice cheap plans, I think, for people who are on budgets. I pay $35 a month for unlimited messaging and 300 minutes. So it's pretty good. Haven't had too many problems with Virgin Mobile. So yeah, that's about it.